What's up, everybody? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. I have got a dirty engine bay. It might not look too bad, but it's pretty dusty. And my pretty blue filter is starting to lose its color, which typically indicates that it's time for a filter cleaning and re-oil, and that's what we're going to be working on today. This is a BMS intake on a F30 N55. The process is similar for most intake systems. Just make sure yours is oil based as far as what you use to prep it. And thanks for watching, guys. We're going to go ahead and get started. So this is actually the kit that you need to pick up. It's Precision 2. It comes with the cleaning solution as well as the oiling kit. And I will put a link in the description for the blue. You can also find the red. I'll probably link that one as well. But make sure you pick up the right solution, guys. You want to take care of your filter. All right, step one: locate an 8mm socket. You might need an extension as well as a ratchet. But anyone that was paying attention, this was flipped around upside down before, and you do have a little slack here. You can kind of pull up and move, but you're going to want to get your 8mm if your pretty much your clamp is located on the bottom. Then you're going to want to get underneath there and loosen this 8mm. So it's really easy. Just loosen it up like so. I like to put it on the bottom because it looks cleaner. And then just carefully pull it off. And that's step one. And you can really get an idea for how dirty it is. We're going to take it outside and look at it in the light next and spray it down with some cleaner. Alright guys, let's get the cleaner out. That's what it looks like in the sun. It's cloudy, but it's pretty dirty. So if your cleaner's brand new, just take the cap off, puncture the little metal foil, and insert your spray bottle. And what we're gonna do is just coat this thing really good. Don't be afraid that you're gonna use too much, but you wanna coat it really good. Now just note, it's okay to coat it from the outside, but we're only going to spray the water from the inside. That's really important to keep the crud out. I'm actually going to pick it up and spray some from the inside too. Alright, do the same to yours, guys. Be heavy-handed, get it nice and soaked, and we're going to let that sit for 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes, and then we're going to come back with our water hose. See you in 15. So now that it's been 15-20 minutes of letting that solution soak, we're ready to spray this sucker down. Remember, spray from the inside out. You're pretty much just going to want to flush it for a minute. But after you get done flushing it, start at the top and work your way down. You don't want to clean it out and then have soap still at the top. But I sprayed a ton of solution, guys, so it's going to take me about 5 minutes of spraying to get the solution out of here. But I'll pick you up once I'm done spraying it off. Alright, now that that's all cleaned up and sprayed off, lay it open side down in a part of your driveway or wherever you are that you can get the most sunlight. And you're going to want to let it sit in sunlight for like at least 5 hours. And it's worth noting that if you're going to do this job, make sure you have like 12-24 hours before you need to drive your car, or buy a second filter and keep it in rotation so you can swap it and then do what I'm showing you now at your convenience. Let that thing dry out. Alright everybody, for the next part, you're going to take your oil. So in this case I chose blue, you may have chose red or a crazy color, I have no idea. We're going to take the top off. And what I'm going to do at this point, while I struggle getting this top off, is I'm going to throw up a chart that shows how much oil yours takes. If you have an N55 motor with this filter, it's going to be 33 grams. Now you're going to measure your grams here, and that's how much oil you want to evenly disperse around the filter. So here's that chart. As you see, I need 33 grams. That seems right. We're going to close this up, keep it fresh for next time. And now we're going to put this nozzle on here. 33 grams. Take the cap off, don't lose it. And we're just going to start carefully adding our oil. Not the best lighting, but there's the final product. And look at it from a few different angles. You might see somewhere that you want to touch up. But I'm really happy with how that turned out. So we're going to let this dry just for a little bit, and then we're going to put it back on the car. And as you can see, we barely touched the bottle with those 33, 34, whatever I said earlier, grams. We got plenty left over for more of these cleanings and oilings. Alright guys, now all we have to do is fit this back on like so. And I'm just going to tighten that back up on the bottom. But let's take a look. Although the engine bay isn't clean yet, that is much, much better. I'm sure you guys agree. Hope you enjoyed the video. Check out the link in the description for the refill kit and the cleaning kit. And hope you guys enjoyed the new look and fresh filter. Appreciate you watching.